Why investors have so much liking towards real estate? Does real estate investment meet up to investors' expectations? We have our investment expert Usha Nair with us. Usha, could you please provide us a brief understanding on real estate returns?
Now, is real estate an asset class that is needed? Yes, it is needed. But unfortunately, all of us, especially Indians, we get over excited about real estate as a asset class. And the biggest problem when it comes to real estate investing is we genuinely do not know how to do the maths. We may be maths geniuses. We may have done engineering. We may have topped the classes and schools in math. But let me tell you, many of us make the mistake how to do the return calculation in real estate property. And I'll tell you why I'm saying this. Suppose you're buying a flat, okay, and there is an EMI that you are paying. We rarely adjust the cost of the EMI or the interest that you paid when it comes to calculation of price of the flat. So I bought a property in Chennai, in Bangalore, in Delhi for 1 crore or for 75 lakhs. After 10 years, I'm selling it for 2 crores. I think my cost of acquisition was 75 lakhs and 2 crores. I can easily do a maths and say, oh, I doubled my money or I slightly more than doubled my money. First of all, when you, so what, and this is a magic that your brain does to you. Okay. It is not finance or it is not mathematics, but it is a brain's, sort of wrong signaling that it does to you. So we end up thinking 75 lakhs and 2 crores that is more than 2 times, correct? 75 into 2 is 1.5 crore, and there is another 50 lakhs. So that's more than 2.5 times, right? Now, this is how you do the maths. What is the first mistake? You don't consider in what period did that 2.5 happen. Did it happen in 5 years? That means it's a very different rate of return. Did it happen in 7 years? Did it happen in 10 years? Or did it happen in 20 years? So I own a property, for example, in Chennai, which I bought in 2000. And today, if I'm selling it at 2.5 times or even 3 times, let's say I bought a property in Chennai, in Kilpauk or in Annanagar for 1 crore. And today, if I'm able to sell it at 3 crores, it is not 3 times, it is 3 times in 20 years. That is the maths I need to do. That what does it translate to? And you will be surprised to know it doesn't translate to better than a bank FD. Now, this is 1 crore is what I paid the builder or the guy from whom I bought the flat. Maybe the cost I paid is 20 lakhs and 80 lakhs I took a loan from a bank to whom over the next 10 or 15 years, I paid an EMI of say at a rate of 8 or 9 percentage. Add that usually when you have a 15-year loan, the interest that you pay is almost the equivalent of the loan that you have paid. Again, you can check this, but back of the envelope maths is if I've taken a 20 lakh loan, usually 16 to 17 lakhs in interest I have paid back, by which means the cost of my acquisition of the property is not 1 crore, it is the 20 lakhs I paid plus 80 lakhs which I repaid in principal, and say another 60 or 70 lakhs I paid the bank as interest. So my cost is inflated from 1 crore to about 1 crore 60 or 70 lakhs. Top that with the maintenance that you have spent. Or for a minute, if you want to ignore the maintenance, because that may not be a very big amount. Now do the calculation. 1.6 crore has become 3 crore. Again, you may argue that it is doubled. No, again, it is in 20 years. So the problem with real estate is, unlike this chart, which I'm showing you, which is very simple to calculate, you go to any website and you open a website today, you call up Ramalingam sir, you look at any app, you will be able to understand what is the return DSP mid-cap fund has generated, what is the return ICICI XYZ fund has given, what is the return HDFC Bank stock has given in the last 3 years or 5 years. It's a matter of 10 seconds on your mobile, you will be able to understand that. But to do this, the price of the property that I bought in Alwarpet or in, Rajaji Nagar in Bangalore, and today the property, now my building has a very different dimension. My neighbor's building has some problem, some litigation, or some society is not well maintained. So that property is different. There is a railway track. It is closer to the airport. So the noise is there. Some highway is coming. So because of which the price of the land or property has gone up. Now there are so many micro variables that affect.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.